Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix this phone number cannot be used for verification. So in the most of the time when you are creating the Google account or Gmail account, then Google will not accept your phone number. So what you have to do if this kind of issue will appear to you. So you guys have to simply don't worry about it, and without wasting time, let's get started. So you have to just simply open up your phone settings. So if you are on iPhone or an Android phone as well, you have to just simply open up your phone settings. So after opening up your phone settings, so firstly what you have to do is simply open up your system softwares or search for software. So here software is not available, so you have to just simply search for update, system update. So here what you have to do is simply update your device. So I'm just opening up any update. So what you have to do is simply update your device. After updating your device, you have to just simply go to date and time. So after here I'm just searching for date and time. So you have to just simply open up date and time and make sure that you have to just simply toggle it on, which is set time automatically. So after selecting that, and you guys must have to check that your internet connection is stable and your SIM services or mobile phone services are available. So in order to make sure that, you have to just simply swipe up and you have to just simply check that your internet connection is stable. You guys can see here my internet connection is stable. So after checking that, you have to just simply make sure that your SIM services are working correctly, because most of the time your SIM services are not working correctly. So that's why your issue, such kind of issue will appear. If the issue is still not resolved, then you have to simply go to search bar in the settings and simply search for region. So I'm just searching for region. So after opening up the region, you have to simply make sure that your region is selected correctly. In the most of the time, your region is selected incorrect, or your region is selected incorrectly. So in that time, you guys cannot fix this issue. So in order to fix, you have to just simply change your region and make it to your real country or your real region. So after selecting your correct region, you have to just simply go back. If the issue is still not resolved, then the last one and only option, which is you have to just simply search for reset device. So I'm just selecting here, and here is the factory reset. You have to just simply open a factory reset and simply reset your device. So what it can do is, if the issue is from the hardware, or if the issue is from the software. So if the issue is from the software, then this method work in any kind of error correction. So you have to just simply make sure, you have to just simply reset your device and your issue will be resolved. If the issue is still not resolved, then what you have to do is, the final step is, you guys have to simply go to any of your browser. So after opening up any of your browsers, you have to just simply search for support.google.com. So what it can do is, so I'm just opening up. So after opening up support.google.com, it will open up the Google support menu. So here in the support menu, you have to just simply select any of the Google application in which you are facing the problem. So at that time, generally we will face this issue in Gmail. So you have to simply select the Gmail here. So after selecting the Gmail here, you have to simply report a problem and briefly state the Google about your issue, and Google team will review your problem and will resolve it within 24 to 48 hours. So I hope this method is find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.